Hi beauty, so today's video I'm going to be doing a review on this gorgeous wig that I received from Megalook. This is a beautiful kinky wig hair that I received from Mega Hair. This hair is super gorgeous. It is a pre-plucked natural kinky wig, and it was very lightweight. It's super lightweight and it's really full, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to just style this. And I didn't want it to do much with this hair because it was so gorgeous. I didn't want it to like even cutting the baby hair. I didn't want it because he already has some tiny, he has some baby hair in there. I didn't want it to do much to this hair because it was so gorgeous. It looks so natural on me. You guys are going to see at the end of this video how beautiful this hair was. So I'm going to be leaving a link down below so that you can go and purchase yours. And this is super gorgeous, super lightweight, especially for summer. And yeah, I just went ahead, I did cut out the lace at the front with a razor. And yeah, that is what I did. You can go ahead and bleach it, but I didn't need, I don't really bleach my wigs. I just use my foundation eyes to match my skin. So as you can see here, I'm just cutting all the excess lace out, and I'm going to show you guys how I place that on my head and how gorgeous this hair look. It is super weight. As you can see, there was tiny baby hair at the front already. I put the wig cap on my head. I took some foundation and I rubbed that just at the edge of the wig, and I use setting powder to set that in. You can also use spray, and I got my glue gel, rub that all on my forehead, like on the perimeter of my head. Take a blow dryer just to make that a little bit tacky, and I'm going to go ahead and place this wig on. Guys, this wig was I can't tell you, I can't mention enough how lightweight. Like, it was so light, I didn't even feel like I had something on my head. So, and yeah, it's really lightweight. So I went ahead and placed that on the on the glue gel, and I secured that down. The glue gel did not really, at the part it did work, at the front, at the side I don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't blow dry it long enough. It was not tacky and it was not sticking, but the wig was still secure. Guys, this wig, they have this wig, when inside, has about 6 pins to secure it, and also an adjustable string that you can use to adjust it to your head size. So, and yeah, I'm going ahead and securing that on with my glue gel. This was giving me a little bit of a hard time. I'm still looking for a good glue to glue your hair down. And I haven't found anyone yet. I don't want to spend so much money on glue because I don't glue my hair that much. But you know what, I'm still looking for inexpensive glue out there. So for now, I'm just using this glue gel for this tutorial. As you can see, the scarf looks so natural. It's brown and it's really pretty. It's really easy. Like, you can just take this out of the box and put it on your head. You don't need to do much to it, and you are good to go. And this is 13 by 6 lace frontal, and you can put it up if you want to. So like, you can style it any way you want it and still rock this hair. So as you can see here, I'm just trying to secure that down at the side. It was giving me a hard time. The gel was not just sticking for some reason. I don't know why. So that is what I'm doing right here. So now that the wig is staying flat on my head, I tried to bring out some baby hair, but I decided not to because I did really want to like cut any of this, not too much of this hair. So I just went ahead and styled it like that. Guys, you don't really need to do much to this hair. It's just so beautiful. Like it's really gorgeous. Like you can just take it out of the box and put it on your head and you're good to go. So you guys are going to see the final look. I'm just sectioning the hair. I like side part a lot, so I section the hair like side part. So this is how it looks. It looks really pretty. It is super lightweight, guys, and it did not shed much. It didn't shed that much, just a tiny bit. Like whenever I brush the hair, I've seen like a strand or two, and that was about it. And this was the final look. As you can see, I didn't do much to this hair and it looks beautiful, it looks gorgeous, it looks super natural and it's super lightweight. I hope you guys like this video. Please continue to support my channel and continue to share my videos, and I'm going to leave a link of this hair down below, and so that you guys can go ahead and purchase your own hair to rock, especially for this summer. It's super lightweight, and I'm going to let you guys go, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. I will be giving you guys an update on this hair to let you guys know how I'm liking it, or if I'm still liking it or not, and I'm going to give you guys an update. And at the back it looks amazing, guys. A great great vibe. I really love this hair. So I'm going to let you guys go, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.